People who have been injured in a semi-truck collision in Idaho make some basic mistakes that we see that ultimately can impact and reduce their ability to recover full and fair compensation. Among those mistakes are talking to the insurance company for the trucker right away before you've talked to an attorney protecting your interests. Why is that? Because they're looking for ways to minimize the amount of money they pay, ways to blame you, ways to say that your injuries were not caused in this wreck or that your injuries are more minor than they are. And a lot of times people, being the decent people that they are, will say things that they don't understand can be used against them in the course of litigation or in the course of their claim for their Idaho trucking accident case. So don't talk to an insurance company until you've talked to a lawyer. It's a #1 rule and one of the #1 things people do wrong. Another thing people do is when they're talking to their physicians or their family members or their own insurance company, they'll minimize the amount of damage or the amount of suffering that they're going through and try to say, I'm doing fine, when in fact there's a substantial problem going on. And again, this is just language or comments that can be used to reduce the amount of full and fair compensation you ultimately are going to be able to recover. Before you make one of these mistakes or one of the other many mistakes that we see people make over the course of Idaho injury cases and semi-truck collision cases, you should give us a call, discuss your case so we can review it and evaluate it and help provide you some guidance on the proper way for you to proceed forward to make sure that your compensation is complete at the end of the day.